Hello guys, in today's video we are going to show you how to become a seller on Etsy.com. So becoming a seller on Etsy is a fairly straightforward process. Here are some steps I'll be listing here so you can become a seller officially. So the first step is creating an Etsy account. I have already done this. You just head to Etsy.com, click on get started. So the second step is set up your shop. Once you are on, once you have an Etsy account, you can set up your shop. Click on here, your account, sell on Etsy. Millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. Open your Etsy shop. Here, start selling today. So we need to provide some basic information about your shop, such as the name, the type of products you are selling, and the payment and the shipping policies. So open your Etsy shop. Welcome. We are so excited to help you to bring your shop to life. To kick things off, we all get to know a bit about you and what do you do. So let's do this. What brings you to Etsy? Will help guide you to success, whether you are a program or brand new to selling. I'm just starting to sell for the first time. I have a business and I want to sell online for the first time. I want to expand my online business by selling on Etsy too. I'm mainly here to explore, like me. So, is there anything you would like help with? Choose as many topics as you want. We'll share resources to help you grow. Deciding what to sell, shop naming and branding, selling online, taking photo of items, getting discovered in search, packing and shipping, pricing items, understanding finance fees. Okay, I have no information about this except this. So, next, now it's time where the fun begins. Click on Start Your Shop here. Shop Preferences. Let's get started. Tell us about you and your shop. Shop language English, shop country. Okay, they already located me. Shop currency, the US dollar. Are you sure using shop currency that difference from your bank currency? My results currency convention fees. Okay, sorry. You know better than me. Where did I lose the Moroccan dirham? Here. So save and continue. Name your shop. So this name will appear to people who look for your items. So it will be clear for people. Madara look like it's already taken. Uh, so I have a backup name, always using it. Yes, no one thinks about this. So stock your shop. I think create a listing, add photos, and here they are helping you to take photos. Use up to 10 photos to show your item most important qualities. Use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale, for measurements. Show the item being held, worn, or being used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So here they ask you to put photos Or you can add, and you can, it's not or, bring your product live with a 5 or 50 seconds video. It could help you to drive more sales. This video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. You can add a video less than 100 megabytes. Here the detail of your product, title, who made it, what, and when did you make it, category, the renewal option, the type, and the description. You have unlimited words. Product partner, add new partner, section, tags, material, price, and quantity you have, and the information of your product. Here we have the shipping information and option where to where. We have custom information, tariff number, preview shipping price free, return and exchange. Get started with simple policy, return and exchange 13 days. Or you can just create your policy with no return or 10 days. So this is it, and you click save and continue. You need to fill up all the information to become a buyer. So for me, I'm just uh, I'm just showing you how and how you will get paid. I will see how to skip this part and I will continue with you. So finally I could skip the third step, stock your shop, and I made a page. I don't know how. It costs 50 dirhams, almost $5. Great job finishing your first. Now add more listings. Now let's just skip it to how you will get paid. So how you will get paid, and it's protected. You can pay with PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and others. Getting paid on Etsy. Select your bank. I'm surprised this website allow my country to do this. So for tax purpose, what type of seller are you? Individual. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Country of residence, Morocco. First name. Okay, this is official, but I'm only putting this so to show you. I will delete this product and delete the account. Your birthday. Tax paper address. I don't know how to fill this. So your bank information, bank name, RIB, and other informations. Next, you set up the billing and your shop security. So let's get home to Etsy and hope this was not saved. What the hell? Is that a real gun? Nana. Shop manager. So here, this is my where I stopped, and that means my shop didn't be open. So after finishing the steps, your shop will be open and you can add more product to your account. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.